everyone! In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix rejected ads on Instagram. The first thing you need to do is understand why your ad was rejected. Open your Instagram Ads Manager and look for a specific ad that was rejected. Click on the Ads Manager option from your Instagram account or through Facebook Ads Manager. Once you're inside Ads Manager, look for the rejected ad, which will be labeled with a red warning symbol. Next, click directly on the ad to see more details. You will find a notice explaining why the ad was rejected. Common reasons could include violating community standards, inappropriate content, or too much text in the image. Take note of the specific rejection reason. Instagram will often provide a short description or a reference of their ad policies. Then click See Details or Learn More. This will take you to a more detailed explanation of what policy your ad violated. Make sure to read through Instagram's guidelines carefully. Take some time to review the Instagram ad policies on the page, particularly those related to the issue with your ad. If it's a simple violation, like excessive text, you can edit your ad to comply. Now, go back to your Ads Manager and find your rejected ad again, and click on the Edit button next to the ad. Depending on the reason for the rejection, you may need to tweak the ad's content, image, or text. For example, if your ad was rejected due to too much text in the image, reduce the text size or reposition it. Once you've made the changes, preview the ad to make sure it looks good. Submit the ad for review. After editing your ad, scroll down and click on the Submit or Resubmit button. Instagram will review the ad again, which can take a few hours to a day. You will see a confirmation that your ad is back in review. Keep an eye on your notifications for any updates. And that's it. By following these detailed steps, you should be able to fix your rejected ad and get it back up and running on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!